Shalom Talmidim, Ha'alef Bet Ha'ivrit Perek Gimel. Begadkephat V'dagesh Kal. The Hebrew alphabet, lesson 3. Begadkephat consonants and the so-called dagesh lene. Yesh litzorim shisha kolot shtayim. There are 6 consonants that have 2 different pronunciations. Heim nikraim begadkephat. These are called the Begadkephat consonants. This name sounds scary, but it's really easy, since the name is made up of these 6 consonants. They're called the Begadkephat consonants because it involves Beit, Gimel, Daleth, Kaf, Pei, and Tav. Beit, Gimel, Daleth, Kaf, Pei, and Tav. Yachdav, Begadkephat. Together, they're known as the Begadkephat consonants. We throw in some vowels to make it pronounceable. B'dagesh ha'itzor chazak. With a dagesh, that's a dot put in the middle of the letter. The word dagesh in Hebrew means piercing. So with a dot called a dagesh, the consonant is pronounced hard. We'll find out in a moment what that actually means. B'le dagesh ha'itzor kal. Without a dagesh, the consonant is soft or light. Hadagesh hahu nikra dagesh kal. This dagesh is called a dagesh lene, or a light dagesh. Before long, we will learn another type of dagesh called a dagesh forte. But for now, don't worry about that. We'll focus on the Begadkephat consonants and the dagesh lene, or dagesh kal. B'dagesh ha'itzor chazak. I said, with a dagesh, the consonant is pronounced hard. So a beit with a dagesh in the middle of it, you see that dot in the middle of the beit, is pronounced hard. B, beit. This is the sound we've already learned for the letter. Beit. B'li dagesh ha'itzor kal. Without a dagesh, the consonant is soft. You see, there's no dot in the middle of the beit this time. So now it is pronounced v, veit. Let's hear the difference again. Beit, hard. Veit, soft. Now let's look at the other 5 consonants and hear the difference. B'dagesh, with dagesh, g, gimel. B'li dagesh, without dagesh, g, gimel. This is a hard sound for many English speakers to produce. It's a little bit like a G, but you don't quite have your tongue touch the top of your mouth. Gimel. B'dagesh, d, daleth. B'li dagesh, v, daleth. V, like in the English word the. B'dagesh, with dagesh, kaf, k, kaf. B'li dagesh, without dagesh, ch, cha. This is the same sound as the letter chet, you might remember. And it is also very similar to the soft r, rimel, without voicing. If you don't know what that means, don't worry about it. This is cha, chaf. B'dagesh, pei, pei. B'li dagesh, without dagesh, f, fe, like an English F. B'dagesh, with dagesh, t, tav, tav. Beli dagesh, without dagesh, thav. One more time, we have b and v, g and r, d and the, k and h, p and f, t and th. So you see, the name of this class of consonant, Begadkephat, is just made up of the 6 consonants themselves. Now, there are some rules as to when these consonants will take a dagesh qal, or a dagesh lene, and when they will not, but we will learn those once we've learned the vowels, which will be a little bit from now. So don't worry about it for now. For now, just know that when you see a dagesh lene, or dagesh qal, in one of these Begadkephat consonants, it will be pronounced hard. And when you don't, it will be pronounced soft. You see, in the very name of these, Begadkephat, the beit and the kaf have a dagesh, right? The gimel, daleth, pei, and tav do not. So if I'm pronouncing carefully, which I don't always do, it will be Begadkephat. Now, in modern Hebrew, only 3 of these consonants still have this distinction between hard and soft: beit, kaf, and pei. In modern Hebrew, gimel, daleth, and tav are always pronounced hard. Sometimes, when I'm not paying close attention, I will follow modern Hebrew pronunciation for gimel, daleth, and tav. And sometimes, I will make the distinction between hard and soft. Don't let my little errors trip you up. Okay?